Hey, this is just a quick video to show you how to use the Universe and More site. So first you're going to select your particular event that you want to look at. So I'm going to look at this Felix person who jumped out of an incredibly high thing orbiting the Earth, and this is one of the highest, or the highest free fall ever. So first I'm going to pick that, and then over here you can pick the system. So first I'm going to do Felix and Earth. So that's the one I'm going to use. So the Earth is part of the system. Now make sure you look at the initial and final states. So right here is the initial state. So he is just standing on the ledge here getting ready to jump. And the final state is here when he's at his lowest point. So what you're going to do is click over here where it says add energy bar charts or add energy bars. So at the beginning, since the Earth is part of the system, he is up high, so he has gravitational potential energy. And you're just going to pick a random amount. It really doesn't matter what you pick. 400 is fine. Now, because there's no external forces between Felix and the Earth, just Earth pulls on Felix, Felix pulls on the Earth, there's nothing extra, there's nothing to do work, so I'm not going to add any work. But at the end, I know that now he's moving, and we're going to consider this kind of the lowest point. So he no longer has gravitational potential, but all of that energy should have become kinetic. So then you just click check, and it says all systems complete because I've already done the other one, but that one was correct. So now I'm going to change it and see what would this look like if only Felix was the system. So it's still the same initial and final states, but now at the beginning I can't talk about gravitational potential energy because the Earth isn't in the system. Instead, at the beginning, he has really no energy. He's not moving. But what happens is the Earth is outside the system, so the Earth does work. And he is going to fall down, and the Earth is pulling down, and therefore the work is actually positive. So again, you're going to pick an amount here. Then you're going to add energy bars. And at the end, again, that energy still is going to be converted into kinetic. So then you click check, and there you go. And that's what I would be drawing on my paper.